Hi, everybody, and welcome again to the Muppet Show. Happy holidays! Yay! Before we get going with our show, we are going to hear a song from Aiden Scott. Aiden, will you want to do your show performance?
Yes!
Okay.
Right here, Aiden.
You gotta come over. Oh, Adrian, right here.
Okay.
Where everybody can see you. That's perfect.
Okay. Here we go! You see the roads and you water my brain! Come on, soldiers, a man insane! You move a wheel! What a present! Goodness gracious! Great balls of fire!
Do you want to finish it? You didn't do the whole song. You go back up and you sing it again, okay?
All right.
Right back here.
You look so much like this guy.
All right.
All right.
Aiden, are you doing any more, or are you done?
No, we want encore!